How to operate the axle extension and retraction system. Before operating, always refer to the operation and safety manual specific to your model machine. The axle extension and retraction system allows each axle to be extended and retracted while maintaining steering control as the machine is driven. To extend or retract the axles, engage and hold the axle extend and retract switch to the desired position and activate the drive controller to the intended direction of travel. The axle set indicator provides visual feedback during axle movement. It will flash while the axles are extending or retracting. Once all axles are fully extended, the indicator will illuminate solid. When the axles are fully retracted, the indicator will turn off. That concludes this overview of the axle extension and retraction system. Thanks for watching.